welcome back to my channel. What's good? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions try on haul from Fashionnova once again. Like, I have a shopping addiction when it comes to Fashionnova. You know what it means when there's a new haul, it means new styling videos. I got you. I have one bag over here. So excited! I don't even know what's in here. I swear, Fashionnova needs to sponsor me. I have my pizza coming on the way because I ordered from Skip the Dishes, and I think it's here. I got hair on this. That's really good. If you guys remember from my last try-on haul from Fashionnova, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it on the screen. I don't know which side, but you guys should really check it out. I ordered this pink crop fuzzy top, the Kylie collection. I got it in a size small, and I realized that it started stretching too much, and it got a little bit big, and it fit me in the boobs right. So I decided to size down. Oh, okay, I totally ripped the bag in half. I have some hope for it. Oh, it's really soft. I got a pair of shorts. These is the You Want a High-Rise shorts. I got it in a size small, and the price was $24.99. Buzz What You Heard One Shoulder sweater in an extra small, and the price was $29.99. Oh god. Feels stretchy, but let's try it on, okay? I am in love. The extra small fits me so much better. Like, look at it. This is so freaking cute. The shorts fits me true to size. Like, it's just so nice. My ass is not hanging out, which is a definite plus. Oh my god, I'm just so happy. Like, this actually fits me so freaking well. Like, blah, blah, blah. I have really thick thighs, so like the fact that this is not suffocating my thighs says a lot. Definitely work. So I got another pair of shorts. I ordered a size 3 to 4. I don't even know what it'll fit. This one is like the same material. It's very stretchy, high-waisted and ripped, but let's put it on. So these are called the Christina Distressed Denim Shorts in size 3. I love these shorts. Holy crap. Same style where it doesn't show the bum. So if you're very self-conscious about your bum hanging out, these shorts will hide that for you. I love the rips and how it's not too tight around my thighs. It does fit true to size. Oh, thank god the pockets are real. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is the tubular bodysuit in size small. This bodysuit does not have any snappy down below, so it's very unfortunate because if you have to go wee-wee, you're gonna have to take up the whole thing. It's stretchy. I hope this actually fits and holds. The bodysuits on Fashionnova can be hit or miss. It really depends. I'm gonna be pairing this top with a boot camp skirt. Like I said, you should go watch my other try on haul from Fashionnova. I got a black boot camp skirt. I'm a size small and I loved it. It fits really well. But after a few wears, I realized that it started bunching up on the back, like there were rolls at the back, which is not cute at all. So I decided to size down. New leather skirt, you know what it means. Ooh, so cute. I love the material because it's like a swimsuit material. It's very like smooth, but it's not a thong bodysuit. I don't know. I love thong bodysuits because I can wear it with leggings or jeans and it will not show that awkward panty line. My gosh, guys. This is freaking cute. Definitely recommend to size down because after a few wears out of this, it is going to stretch and the back is gonna start folding up. Wow, this is extremely cute. Love, 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 love. It feels so good. Oh my god, I love it. So the next item that I got is the Marcella pants in size small, and the price of this was $29.99. Okay. The quality is pretty thick. I don't know whether this would be ideal for the summertime. Doesn't feel very breathable. Waist is stretchy, but the bottom part is not stretchy at all. It looks a little long. I mean, I'm short, so everything is long on me. Yes, this pocket's blessed. Okay, I don't know how I feel about these pants. It actually hits me just nice on a leg, which is pretty surprising. You're 5'1" and you're second guessing yourself whether these pants will fit your height. It does. My ass looks non-existent in these pants. Let me know your thoughts on whether I should keep this, whether this is super cute, whether I could work it. Is this a hit or miss? I would say this is a miss. Maybe if I got a size smaller, it would have been better. So the last item is the Tokyo bodysuit in size small. Yes, okay, so there's a clippy thingy down below, which is freaking fantastic. And it's definitely not see-through because there's a underlining underneath, like an extra layer. So I decided to pair this bodysuit with my bootcamp skirt. This bodysuit is freaking adorable. I love it. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Pose. Pose, queen. Pose. If you love to show your little babies out there, definitely this is for you. That is all that I got from Fashionnova. If you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell right beside it so you get notified every time your bitch posts, and join the What's Good family. Let me know in the comments down below whether you want to see me do a how to style videos on any of these items that I got. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and like I said in I don't know which video, once we hit 500 subscribers, I'll be doing a mini giveaway for you guys because I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Follow me on all my social medias, which will be down below. I love you guys so much. Mwah.